Business is all about maximizing penetration at existing and new accounts. You may have some of the business, but what about the business you're not currently enjoying? How do you put together sales plans for addressing that missing business? How do you develop marketing campaigns to gain additional market share faster? Gap analysis is the process of being able to quickly find customers' purchase history and determine what they should be purchasing based on what is currently being purchased or not. Gap analysis allows for easy lookup of sales by type and quantity of specific products purchased. Example, the customer has purchased product A and B but not C. Gap analysis then will give you a result of those customers, even in a specific territory or a specific customer type like automotive or pharmaceutical, that have definitely purchased that product A and B but not C in a time frame. And then this data, you can overlay other criteria for specific marketing campaigns, such as viewing contacts of those accounts with just engineer in their title. Now you can launch an email campaign from Tour de Force targeting those customers that have purchased product A and B but not C in that specific time frame. This is the kind of targeted sales and marketing analysis that gap analysis will allow you to do. Gap analysis can be found in the group summaries in the BI summary tool. Gap analysis is something that you can save and create different views, and gap analysis views can then be seen in the TDF web version of Tour de Force. To create a gap analysis, you enable the gap analysis. You can do different time frame comparisons. You can do fixed date comparisons. I'm going to pick this year to date compared to last year to date. I'm going to select one or more base conditions where the product group is one particular product group, and I'm sorting for the sales range and looking for ASCO valves 37. Now I can select multiple selections to compare against. I want my condition for this year to be less than $5,000. But I'm going to compare to last year to date, where my comparison of that same product group, ASCO valves 37, is greater than 5,000. Now my results will appear in the quick summary below, 52 matches found, and for the time period of this year to date, the accounts or sales of that product group were less than 5,000, and the sales of that product group were more than 5,000 for the time period of last year to date. I can group this by account shipped to. I can group it by the rolled up customer ID, and if you use master account ID, you can group it by master and account package ID. I'm going to leave it at account. Once I hit save, I can name this gap analysis view. It's a comparison of ASCO valves 37 last year greater than 5,000 versus this year less than 5,000. Once I click OK, the resulting accounts will appear in my grid. This is where I can make some analysis and send the listing of accounts to a mailer with its contacts, or I can even send this to the BI summary when I have the ability then to analyze those selection of accounts beyond just the group summaries. I can look at open orders on those accounts. I can analyze the item sales history, but make some other determinations of the resulting accounts of my gap analysis.